In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email alerts for new listings on Zillow. This is a great way to stay updated with the latest properties that meet your criteria without constantly having to check the website. So, let's dive in and get started right away. First, you need to log into your Zillow account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with Zillow's homepage, featuring the search bar that's prominently displayed. You'll want to use this search bar to enter the area or location you're interested in. This could be a city, a zip code, or even a specific neighborhood. Simply type in your desired location and hit enter. Now that you've got a list of results, it's time to refine these to fit your specific needs. This is where filters come into play. Look for the filter options around the search results. Here you can set your preferred price range, specify the number of bedrooms you require, select the type of property you're interested in, and any other pertinent criteria. Adjust these settings to tailor the listings to meet your expectations. After you've set your filters and are satisfied with the search results, the next step is to save these preferences. On the results page, you should see a button that says Save Search. Give it a click. This action is critical because it tells Zillow what kind of listings you are interested in being alerted about in the future. Upon saving your search, Zillow will prompt you to select how often you wish to receive these alerts. You will usually have a few options such as instant or daily. Choose the frequency that best suits your needs. If you want to be notified as soon as a new listing hits the market that matches your criteria, the instant alert is the way to go. Alternatively, if you'd prefer a more condensed update, opt for daily notifications instead. Once you've made your selection, confirm by clicking Save. Over time, you might want to tweak or just turn off these alerts. No worries, it's quite straightforward. Navigate to Saved Searches, which you'll find in your profile area. There, you can edit any saved search to adjust the notification settings. Whether you need to change the frequency of the alerts or disable them entirely, you'll find those options there. You can also delete the saved search if it's no longer relevant. And there you have it, folks. An easy and efficient way to ensure you're the first to know about new property listings that fit your specifications on Zillow. Thanks for watching, and I hope